Barry, I want to see you.
What are they doing? Let me go!
Barbie, please. We just have a minute. They want you too.
What? Me?
Oh, it's some awful mistake. I know that, but... Oh, it is a mistake, isn't it, Barbie? You didn't kill your father, did you? All right. I know you did. Now listen to me. You're not to say a thing to anyone, you understand? And I'll start looking for a lawyer as soon as I get back to town.
Mr. Thompson, you said a couple of minutes. Miss Keeley, I'm arresting you for suspicion of...
You don't have to say all that.
I want to be sure you understand that you have the right to remain silent. But if you do say anything, it can be used against you. And I also want to be sure you understand, Miss Keeley, that you have the right to have your attorney present at any time that you're being questioned.
I don't care about that. I just want to be with Barry now, please.
That's where you're supposed to be.
Where are you taking them?
County Seat Jail, Belgrove.
Barbie, I'll have you out of bail by morning.
It's not a bailable offense, mister.